I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting closer. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road.
Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. We have a wig from Ashimaryhair, so thank you so much to Ashimaryhair for sponsoring today's video. As you guys can see in the unboxing, they gave me a lot of good stuff and I really love their packaging, and I love that little bag that they gave me. I just thought it was the cutest thing ever. So they just gave me some wig cap, eyelashes, a wig brush, a bonnet. They also gave me a robe as well, and I just thought it was super cute.
Right outside.
This is the wig, you guys. This is the wig straight out of the box. As you guys can see, this wig did come pre-cut. I don't think it came pre-bleached because I did not bleach the knots on here as well. And as you guys can see, it does come with a strap on this wig. And also I will be making this wig a glueless wig install as well. So this is their ash blonde dark root straight wig. All the information to this wig will be in my description box down below. This wig is in the length of 26 inches as well. If you guys are wondering the density, like I said, all that would be in my description box with the link. So like I said, this will be a glueless install. So I'm just gonna put some makeup on the wig, and I'm going to put some makeup on my cap as well. Now I did run into a problem with this wig. It was a little too small for my head, but I did somehow try and make it work. Because I have a big head, y'all, so a lot of times these wigs do be kind of small for me. So like I said, I did still make it work somehow. I try my best to do the best that I can to make this wig like look good still. The blonde was real cute. I really thought it was a cute blonde color, and I really like how it had the dark root on it as well. But like I said, the wig itself definitely was a little too small for my head, so that kind of did make me sad a little bit. But like I said, it still came out cute. I'm not gonna lie, it still was a cute little install. You know, I still made it work. So I just left this wig straight. I didn't curl it or anything, and I'm just gonna use my Ebin spray to apply this wig. Like I said, this is a glueless install, but you guys can easily add a lace glue if you would like. I'm gonna use this Ebin hairspray all along the lace of this wig, and like I mentioned, this wig was too small for my head, but when I added some baby hairs, it kind of helped the wig kind of look a little better, so you really couldn't tell it was too small for my head. So later on in the video, I am gonna add some baby hairs on this lace to kind of make it seem, you know, a little more, it doesn't look too small, you know. Like I really didn't want it to look messed up because I really love the color of this wig. I thought it was super pretty. I didn't tone this hair or anything, you guys. Like this is straight out of the box, so I thought the color was perfect already like it was. And now I'm just going to go ahead and use my headband to let this Ebin sit into the lace a little bit, and so this wig can get stuck and be in place for the rest of the day. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and start working on the part of my wig. I did go ahead and go for a middle part, but if you guys are a side part girl, well, I'm a side part girl too, but I don't know, I just wanted a middle part. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my wax stick and my hot comb and get this part real sleek and real flat.
Right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. You mine. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting closer. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in the air.
When I first received this wig, I was gonna go for a no baby hair look, but for some reason I just thought it looked a little weird. But honestly, you can stop the wig install right there. But of course, I went ahead and added my baby hair, as you guys already know. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit more makeup powder on my lace, because like I stated, I did not bleach the knots on this wig. And now thinking back on it, I probably should have bleached the knots on here, but I don't know. I just added my powder and everything seemed to be okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my baby hair later on in the video. And I did try to do like a cute little hairstyle for y'all also after I went and flat ironed the hair. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like to purchase this wig, do not forget to check my description box down below.
Two-time baby girl, you know me.
you over.